In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a team member from your workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the process so you can remove access cleanly and confidently. To begin, look to the left side of your screen for the main navigation menu. Find the section labeled Team Members, Members, or Team. This is the hub where you manage who has access to your workspace. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it or click the menu icon to reveal the labels. Opening this area will take you to a list of everyone who currently has access. Once you're in the team member section, you'll see a roster of users. This view typically shows names, roles, and status, and often includes a search bar or filters to help you narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you work across multiple teams. If you don't see the person right away, use the search field to find them quickly. Next, choose the specific team member you want to remove. You can usually do this by clicking their name to open their profile or selecting the row associated with them. Before proceeding, double check that you have the right person and that you have the necessary permissions, such as admin or owner access. If you don't see the option to remove someone, it may be due to your role or workspace settings. With the correct team member selected, click on Delete. This option might appear as a button on their profile, a trash can icon, or inside a More Options menu. Deleting a team member removes their access to your workspace and prevents them from logging in to view or modify content. You'll then be asked to confirm the action, so click Delete again in the confirmation prompt. This extra step protects against accidental removals and gives you a moment to ensure everything is correct. After confirming, you should see a success message or a refreshed list showing that the person has been removed. Keep in mind that while access is revoked, some systems retain historical activity logs for auditing and reporting. That's all there is to it. Open team members on the left, find the person you want to remove, click delete, and confirm by clicking delete again. If you run into issues, make sure you have the right permissions and that you're working in the correct workspace. Thanks for watching.